All right, cool. So right now we're just gonna be watching Amazon. I'm liking Amazon on this rising wedge pattern right here. I want to see it take downside, but I want to wait till it breaks about this 109.25 level, 108.59, maybe this 108.10. We'll see what sets up around there when price gets there. But we could also blow, you know, upside through here, but I don't think it's safe until we blow past 112. So I'll probably wait as far as taking any upside moves. I think we have Powell speaking at 10, around 10 this morning. So we'll just sit tight. Also keeping an eye on SPY over here on this monitor. SPY's doing the same thing as rising wedge. Inverse of SPY, SH is doing a falling wedge. If this breaks upside, it's the opposite of SPY, so this will break downside pretty much. So I'm keeping an eye on both the inverse and SPY. Let's see. See what we can get. We got about 2 seconds left till market opens. We're not gonna take anything right off the bat though. Let's see what we get. Zooming here on the 5-minute into the seller zone right here. I want to see it break back below under. Not taking anything right off the rip. It's looking strong though.
See?
I might change the color of this purple box, make it a little more see-through. We're just waiting. I'm still watching, keeping an eye on SPY. SPY hasn't broken up upside yet. Amazon's ripping right here. Could be a fake pop though, so. Yeah, you see how the sellers just freaking wiped that shit out right there? It would have got fucked. We took some calls right there. So we're gonna wait. It looks like SPY here might want to take downside. If SPY breaks 376, we could take a light position for some puts. Pull up SPY. I'm gonna see which puts the best. Damn, I have this linked. Let me unlink it real quick. I think if Amazon breaks this 110.29 level to the downside, we could potentially get in for some puts for like an early starting position. Well, we still haven't broke anything yet, so we'll just sit tight. Yeah, SPY breaks 376. We could go for some puts. All right, Amazon. We'll get ready for some Amazon here. It's breaking this 110.29 level. Trying to see which contracts are the best right now. Not a whole lot of volume on them right now. Yeah, Amazon.
I'm in the Zoom meeting, babe. What do you look like that?
About we acting like this.
So it looks like Amazon's rejecting the top of this trend line right here on this rising wedge. We'll wait for like some sort of bear flag setup or bearish setup before hopping into anything. SPY.
Pretty much, she said that she was trying to talk to you and he wasn't trying to talk or whatever. Babe, I don't know. But this is why yesterday I wanted y'all to just talk and just hash everything out. It's too early.
I'm gonna take one
Get
SPY
out.
put here. I'm taking a 370 put here at 120. Same day expiration. Of course.
You don't even have to talk. You don't have to address it if you don't want to. You don't have to. You know what I'm saying? I don't want.
So I'm in SPY 370 put here.
But this is why I wanted y'all to talk yesterday because like it was weird. It was like a weird like aura in the air and like I feel the same way.
Yesterday, I kissed her ass
I feel the
before
same
she even ran in the fucking place.
I feel the same way.
I tried.
I feel the same way.
I even called her before I called you for her to come back to the car so me and her could talk as phone. She didn't want to do that. And then even when I came inside and even was still explaining myself.
All right, so Amazon right here, it looks like it's gonna break out of this seller zone.
That's not what I came here for.
We can possibly get in for some Amazon puts around here.
No, you couldn't.
I don't want to.
All right, but then you don't have to, big. Like I don't look, bro. Like
no, it's not saying. I'm saying I don't want to deal with the negative energy.
Yeah, sorry about that, you guys. I just muted that shit. Here we go. See, Amazon is looking like it's gonna come for this this trend line right here. I really want to wait for 108.59 to get in. I don't want to take anything too early because I don't want to get in and then it just bounces right back up. So it's dumping right now. We're gonna wait for some sort of consolidation before we get in. These puts that I'm in as SPY, they're really not moving. They're not moving at all. So I'm thinking these premiums are just jacked up right now because of the meeting we're about to have in about an hour. But I'm just gonna hold that put. I'm gonna hold that 370 put for now. We're at break even. And then Amazon, I want to see it break this 108.59 level. Damn, if we would have took Amazon up here at 110, it would have been nice. But it was just not enough confirmation for me to get in there. Okay, right here we're approaching 108.59. What I want to see here is like a bearish setup, like come down to 108.59, chop around, and then continue to the downside. So I'm gonna just pull up some Amazon puts right now. Let's see. I'm not getting in yet. Hourly right here is approaching this trend line. There's buyers here though on this level right here earlier today. They brought it down and they picked it right back up. So right here we're gonna let some set up on the 3-minute chart. I think we're gonna see some consolidation before we break lower. So I'm still holding my SPY put here. I'm trying to get in on this pre-market low break. So we're just watching Amazon here, waiting for Amazon to set something up, and then possibly break this 108.59. If we can break this 108.59 level, then yeah, I'll enter some puts because then we're going to be breaking this huge rising wedge pattern. But as of right now, I'm just going to sit tight. Wait for something to set up here on the 5-minute as well. Looks like SPY's trying to pick back up here. I'm probably going to get stopped out of my put. Right here, you can see that I have a stop loss set at 0.85. I got in at 120 up here, literally at the top, my dumbass. So pretty much, if SPY put hits 85, I'm out. I'll get stopped out for a $36 loss on that position. If it keeps going up, then we keep going up. So there's that on that one position that I'm in right now. I'm still gonna hold that put. I still think we're gonna break downside. And then right here, we're gonna watch Amazon. Looks like it's starting to bear flag. If we break this 108.59 level, I'm gonna get in for some puts, but let me see which puts look the best. I might get in the 108 puts. Maybe. Let me see. I don't really like those. The 106 look alright. Now I'll probably just go for the let me see. These 109s look pretty good. 109's got some volume on them. The 105s too. The 105 puts look pretty good. But we need to bear flag here, like so, and break downside on this. I'm still in SPY. And then right here on Amazon. So if you guys want to get ready for some puts, the 109s look alright right now. They're too close to the money for me. And it looks like this bear flag just got invalidated. Just still waiting. All right, right here, we could potentially see it break downside. The 108 puts are also pretty good. So I might take some puts here. We break this bear flag. Pretty much if we break here, so I'm looking at the 108 puts, but I wanna wait for a nice break. Okay, I'm taking some puts here. Man, this shit filled me in so late. That's horrible. Let's see it break this 108.59 level now. My stop loss is gonna be 109.25, by the way. So about 5 contracts. We can say profit target 1 is 108.10 right there. It's 108.10 level. So we're up. I'm gonna start trimming here. So I just trimmed 2 out of 5 on this first level right there. I'm gonna see it go further down. And then right here, as you can see on the higher time frame, on the 1 hour, we're about to break this rising wedge to the downside. Let me remove my highlights in my studies. So now my stop is up here. If it breaks back over this 109.25 level, I'm gonna get out. I didn't get to trim all my freaking positions or my whole position. That's the type of moves I don't like. If they don't continue down, like, I hate when the freaking green candle tries to reclaim that shit immediately. But we'll see what happens. Still holding. As you can see, we still haven't closed above 109.25, so there's no reason to sell or cut your loss yet. Could be setting up a bigger move. Still holding. I wanted to break this 108.59 level. We break 108.59, we're going down to 108.1. It could have went from a bear flag to a new pattern now, looking like it's doing a descending triangle. So now we still needed to break that 108.59 in order for us to go lower. And we're still using that same 109.25 as a stop loss here. Right here on the 3 minute, it's looking a little indecisive. I do not really like these candlesticks. Too wicky. And right here, still looking at this 108.59 level. We want this bigger time frame pattern to break to the downside, just because it's a bearish pattern. Still waiting. It's respecting this trend line right here. Once it breaks out of this trend line, then I think it will go for 109.25 and we'll cut it there. But as long as we're still in this pattern, we're still Gucci right here. If we break lower, you can potentially add more. So I may possibly do that if we break lower. So it's nice support. There's 108.59 is some really good support. I'm still holding. Remember, 109.25 is your stop loss. Or you could even do 109.5, the last highest point we hit. Let's see, do you want downside? Go from here to here, basically. So I added more to my position here now that we're actually breaking the support. We have a take profit here at 109.10, so I'm going to start trimming here. Oh, damn, I trimmed more than I wanted to. Oh, we're going. We're bleeding now. I got my stop set. Oh, beautiful. These fucking contracts are ripping, man. Congrats if you took these with me. I will trim majority of my position, leave one runner just so you can see how far we made it up. Okay, I'm holding one runner. This is my last runner right here. You see we got in around 129 average. They're moving. These contracts are moving. Pretty much this descending triangle break. And you can take profit here. If you're up nicely, go ahead and start trimming here at 108, 108.1. You see this is why you take profit. Look at that. You see the contracts moving accordingly. And this is a big move, so if this continues going lower, it could go all the way down to 105, 102, 103 today. I think I'm about done for the day. Right here, we break 139 on the contracts. These bitches are gonna pop. I'm gonna see what this runner does. I'm gonna set a stop, maybe like a little $3 loss, or maybe this last low right here, this 119. All these contracts are popping. If we break 108.1, it's going. I'm gonna just set a stop. Maybe. I always sell to them early, man. That's my thing. I always take profit too early. It's not a bad thing, but sometimes you don't get to maximize your gains, and then you look at, all right, here we're breaking 108, 108.1, cool. And right here we're breaking the ascending triangle. I mean the rising wedge. My bad. Rising wedge from the watch list. Right here we're breaking it. We're breaking it. We broke 139 here on the contracts. These bitches are finna fly. Watch this fucking shit just rip up. Look at that shit. I'm just gonna go ahead and take profit here. I'm pretty happy. So when you're happy. Bastard not taking my shit. We're gonna sell market. Okay. I'm all out of Amazon right here. Congrats. Congrats if you took Amazon with me. Oh shit, I forgot about my SPY put. I'm still in my SPY put. I'm up. What the fuck? Alright, right here. This is why we take profit at the next levels. You see why? Because fucking you can get hit with the bounce. Right here, we didn't push any further above 139 on these contracts. I'm gonna go ahead and close out my SPY real quick. Was up, now I'm down like $6. Just rather not deal with it. I made my money today. But I feel like I think we could still go lower. We'll see. We'll watch we're gonna watch a SPY right here. Pretty much. I have a stop loss right here around 376. I'm gonna move it up. That way I'm gonna move it to about 109, 110. So worst case I'm gonna lose about $11 maybe. Yeah, about $11. We'll do 109, $12. I probably would have been stopped out already. So I want to keep holding this shit. Alright, we're rejecting these contracts. See what SH is doing over here. Bet you the moment I sell, this shit's gonna fucking rip. Here, I'm gonna call it, take a loss right here around $13. Like I said, I'm pretty happy with the gains on Amazon. So I don't even want to imagine any more positions. I'll leave my stop loss there. Fucking, if we rip, we rip. If we don't, who cares? It's only $13. We'll leave this one up just for the sake of this recording. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, scalp. You see how quick that scalp was? Like, I mean, we got chopped around here a little bit. Look, you see, I just got stopped out. Just got stopped out for a $13 loss. Who cares? But yeah, that's it, man. This is probably as much as I'm gonna do today. Call it a day pretty quick here. Mainly this break right here, right, added on like heavier. I sized up some more. Once we actually broke this level, it actually paid off. So that was good. You can look at the higher time frame too on Amazon. Even though it did like slightly break, I don't really play the break like the whole break. You can if you're a day trader, but I'm a scalper, so I just use this pattern to let me know what we're doing next. So like, since it's a bearish pattern, I know that puts are more favorable because more than likely it's gonna break downside. You could hold. You could, if it broke here, keep holding and ride this bitch all the way down, but you're gonna be holding for a few hours. Or yeah, a few hours. So yeah, that's about it. I don't really play for the big picture. I just use the big picture to gauge my direction on how to play. How much percent? That's a good question. I don't even think I looked at that today. That was about like 12%, I think. Yeah, about 12%. The premiums, they're not moving like they normally do right now. And I'm thinking it's because we're about to like have that Fed speaking or Powell or whatever the fuck his name is. But yeah, the premiums do not move nice when shit like that's happening. You guys will see once we get a trending day, how the premiums actually move. They move crazy. Like I can show you some pretty cool ones. Let's see. I think SPX be having some good premiums. This is the type of movement that I like. Yeah, even SPX contracts right now are freaking low volume as fuck. Yeah, they are not moving. Splotchy. Yeah. Nothing looks good right now as far as options. These 380 calls on SPY maybe. See, I like premiums that move like this. So this is a 1 minute chart. You see how SPY was here? It was at 114 a piece. And look how they're just ripping. You see this candlestick moving? That's the contract price in real time. You see how they're moving? That's the shit I like. Look at that. You're just seeing them move. 190, 188, 189, 190, 191. They're moving nicely. I don't like this choppiness. This was good. This was a good for calls right there if you took it for a bounce. But I was playing puts. Anyways, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little live trading session. If you guys aren't in my trading Discord, I highly suggest you join. I do a lot of educational stuff. So let me I'm gonna go ahead and just post a link below. And if you guys want to join, feel free to join. I'll give you a role and you'll have full access. It's completely free. I try to do these live trading sessions as much as I can. I try to do charting sessions at night and question and answers and you name it. I want to make sure everybody gets this shut down. It's pretty simple if you just follow a system, like how we just did this morning. Let me go ahead and just find the link real quick. Edit invite link days. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna post it in the chat. So you guys feel free to join. Like I said, I'll give you a role. I also post my game plan on there too. So if you're part of the group chat, you already knew we were gonna play Amazon this morning for that exact same plan. Here we can review it right here. Myself. You look at my channel right here. We have posted this Amazon rising wedge pattern pretty much, and then I post a textbook example letting people know how it should play out or what I'm expecting. And then right here I said puts below 109.25, 108.59, and 108.10. So right here you see we got the 109.25 puts. They worked out. If you would have took puts there, could have made money. I didn't see anything setting up there, so I didn't want to take it. Or the 109.59s, which is this level right here. Look at how beautifully it respected that. It created a we got faked at first. It was a bear flag right here. It wasn't a fake. It was more like a pattern just changing into another pattern, which is okay. It happens a lot when you're using a small time frame like the 1 minute. You just have to be quick to adapt. But you can see that we have this 109.59 that held nicely and then broke, and we were able to profit off that. So, and there's 108.10 level right here. It bounced off it. It didn't end up breaking lower, so we couldn't enter any puts there. That would have just been used as a profit target. So yep, that's it, man. Hope to see you guys in the chat. You know, ask anything, chop it up, you know, whatever. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm gonna post this to YouTube. I'm gonna upload this, and yeah, you guys should see it shortly, eventually. That way you can just review, you know, whatever. And on my YouTube, I also have videos on how I set up these levels, how I scalp, pretty much how I set my stop losses, how I enter, where I take my profit target. So everything's just level to level. Just a quick breakdown right here. Entered puts, basically, I entered puts early, but this has been the ideal spot to enter puts. Enter puts there, take profit here on the next level. Your stop loss is the level above, which is this purple line, this 109.25. It's simple. Entry, take profit, stop loss. That's it. Entry, take profit, stop loss. So if price was to go up here and close above that purple line, then you already know you need to get out because it's gonna break like it did here. But it's a simple little system that I have in place. You guys can watch my video or feel free to join me in one of these sessions. But yeah, I'm out of here. Have a good day, you guys. Trade safe. Don't overtrade. We have the Fed speaking. It could get nasty. All right, you guys. See ya. One more time, dropping the link before I go. All right, I'm out of here.